You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been.
So I'm here at Home Goods and I'm trying to do like a refresh on my house. Maybe just, it's kind of, it's so inspired. I don't know if I told you guys already, but I was watching Yolanda Foster's house in Texas, and she lives right outside Dallas, and I got just so inspired. So I just am wanting, oh my God, I just saw the cutest thing. Look at this. I would love to get this couch. Wow. This looks so cozy, guys. How cozy. My dogs would love this. I would love this. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I'm looking for just new painting maybe. I just want to bring some depth into the house. So I'm on a mission. My husband is actually here shopping with me. Let me go find him. I just saw him with the essay. He's got his eye on something. I can't believe it, because he never wants to shop or decorate or do anything with me. So I'm very excited, as you can tell. This is that couch that I was just on. I mean, it's so soft, and look how big. I mean, if you had kids over, they'd fall asleep in it. I'd fall asleep in it, forget it. I don't have room for that, but I love it. It's just a little fit check. I don't know if you can see, but I got on these Silver Lake jeans. Silver Lake jeans. I got these at TJ Maxx in California. I got so many good things there. My Chanel bag, Coach jacket. And this is an express bodysuit, but I just can't stand it. I guess maybe it's too big. Okay. But let me show you my shoes. I'm obsessed. Shoe game is strong. These are just my Prada flats. I actually got these on my anniversary a while ago. I don't know if you guys remember, but I'm getting, my anniversary is coming, and I do have my eye on some new shoes. I think I'm a shoe addict, seriously, because who wants shoes for their anniversary? But that's actually what I want. Guys, I found my husband. Look at this, is an ottoman that I'm getting. I hope it matches. And then I got this bowl, and I got a bunch of other stuff. So let's just, here's my husband. He doesn't want to show his face. Fit check. Okay. Okay, guys, he says we gotta keep it moving. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Everything Christmas is out. I should get some more candles while I'm here. Got the decor. What? Gonna go home and decorate. Just got home from Home Goods, and actually no, we were at homesense. I always confuse the two. Do you guys confuse homesense and Home Goods? But no, we were at homesense. So let me show you what I got tonight. And I'm still, I'm still on a mission. Decorating is so addicting. It's just me, but the one you start, you can't stop. Like, then you start seeing more and more things that need to be changed or whatnot. But because now I'm still like, I have to go back for more. So this I love. I'm gonna put this and make kind of a little centerpiece with it. And these are just some boxes that I got for giveaways. So I got this here, and I'm gonna do like a centerpiece. Let me show you. So that's the start of it, and then I'm gonna put, let's see here, some candles on either side. Actually, I got two of these, so I'm gonna double them up so it looks more full. But let's see how that looks. So, what do you guys think? One or two? And then I got these candles. This is called Pumpkin Bourbon. It has a velvet top. So I thought that would look really pretty. I don't know if it'll fit, but we'll put that there like that. So that's pretty. I like that. So here's how it came out. Isn't that pretty? I didn't realize, but these are sand and fog candles. I love sand and fog candles. Here's another look at it. Isn't it pretty? I'm so happy. Okay, guys, so I put the candle, I've been moving this candle around, so I put it here. I gotta get another one though for the other side. And then I got some more picture frames here. So I gotta order the prints though, but I got this beautiful one. And so I'm gonna do some more decorating over here. And then here I got this painting, which was only $50, $49. So I was really happy because this is exactly what I was looking for. Just a dark painting. I just wanted something black, something dark. So actually my couch is white, but we just put this on here for the dogs. But should I show you how it's really supposed to look? But yeah, we're getting a bigger one though to fill up more space, but this is just for now. But it's pretty nice, I thought. So give some contrast to the room. But I should really take this off and show you how it looks right without the, you know, the thing on it. But and then let's see here, I got this little wood cutting board. So that's kind of I gotta show you what the I should take it off. Okay, I'll take the blanket off. And I got this tonight, this sand and I love sand and fog white vanilla hand soap, but I really want to get a wood tray to put this in, but they didn't have one, so I'm still on the hunt for that. And this is just I've had this Mackenzie Childs. These are from IKEA, and I got this. I showed you guys that. And my stepdaughter actually got this for me and my husband and her dad in Italy when she went to Italy. So she brought us home this. It's for your olive oil and a beautiful kitchen towel. But I feel like I'll never open it because I want it to stay just like she sent it. I think she got that in Portofino. She went everywhere. Capri. She goes for like a month at a time. So isn't that beautiful? Maybe I should open it. It's so beautiful. And it's oh, it's Sorrento, and it's hand painted. I just do think I'm so crazy. I should open it though, right? But it looks so pretty, just how she gave it. I just wanted to show you this. I'm gonna put this in Louie and Lola's bed. It's just super thick faux fur. I guess is it a rug or a throw? Let me see here. Faux rabbit fur rug. But I thought this would be very nice in their bed. So let me go ahead and put it in there for them. So here it is. And then they have their cushion underneath. And this is super soft. Let's see if he likes it. Louie! Louie! Let's see. You like it? Cozy? Cozy. Yes, happy. What about your baby? You want your baby? Should we put a baby in there for you? Here's his baby. There you go. Okay, don't let him. You want to try it again? No, we just got home, so he was. When we go out, we leave. You know, we have to leave him in here so he doesn't get hurt because he hurt his back. You know, a long time ago, but we don't want him to get hurt, so we gotta come on. Why? And then I got this marble tray. I just put all my skincare on. But here's how it looks. All my faves. And just really pretty gray color. This is what I got tonight. It's just this kind of wooden bowl with the irregular shape. And I put the candle inside and just some little faux things that I found. But love this. And then I always get these little brushes to clean my dishes and these just nice sponges to clean with. This is the ottoman that I got, but I really think it's too small and it just doesn't, I don't think it goes. My husband though, he liked it, but I really need the big. I'm gonna have to go back without him because I went to get the big, there was a big leather one and he didn't want me to get it, but this is too small. It's too small, so it's gotta go. What do you guys think? It is very comfy though, I have to say. But I don't think it looks too small. It looks way too small in here, guys. This is so comfortable though. I can't believe it with my legs up because I've sat in this chair before, but I never feel that comfortable. But now that I have my legs up, the fire, Mr. Louie's here. He's passed out. So maybe I have to keep it just for until I can get a better. Well, definitely keep it till I get another one, until I get a bigger one because it's so comfy. I'm so cozy, right? I don't think I can even move. I'm just knocked out. It's too much, right, Pop? It's so cozy. And I got this marble frame. Beautiful. White marble. It says it's made in Italy. So, oh, my picture got messed up. Here, let's fix that. So cute, right? Little cute ones. So that's everything that I picked up for tonight. Let me know what you're loving for home decor. Let me know if you think I should get a different ottoman. I'm gonna get that leather ottoman. I'm gonna go back, and it's actually vegan leather, I believe, but I'm gonna go back. It's definitely bigger. I don't know, guys. Maybe I shouldn't get it actually now that I'm thinking about it, because the space is not that big, and it was huge. So I gotta think about this. Okay, I gotta go back with a tape measure. I gotta start measuring things. So that's what we'll do. We'll go back, we'll measure the space tonight, and then go back and measure the ottoman. So that'll be my next mission, my next home goods, or my HomeSense adventure. So let me know what you're loving for the fall. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys are doing good. I'll see you soon.